Hello and welcome back. We're going to give Rudy a call. He called me. We'll see what he has to say.
You have reached the voicemail box of Rudy Panagas.
Oh dear. Hi Rudy, I was just going to record and say hello and tell you what I'm up to. Call back, I will be ready to answer. Thank you. Bye for now. Okay. So last time, we've been changing RAM chips and we were having socket troubles with this socket. It was giving me grief. Perhaps I have used it too much. Perhaps. So we're now on to the fifth of 16 RAM chips from this pet. And we're up to this. I mean, we changed everything pretty except for the RAM. Oh, that went in nicely. Okay, we turn it on and it comes up just fine. All right. Well, maybe now that we've switched sockets, this will go faster. Oop. Just want to put the chips in the configuration that they came out in. So now we're on to the third row from the right. This is the bottom chip. Carefully line it up, pop it in, turn it on, and we will see that it seems to be fine. Okay. Well, that's a good. Who knows? Maybe the chips just need to be reseated in this whole thing. Or maybe it's some other more discrete thing in one of the support chips. I don't know. Okay. Looking good. Looking fine. What do we got? Looks fine. Where's the return key? It's hard. I can't do it. That's it. Oh. Okay, good. Alright. Alrighty. We're moving on. So that's 7. Here is number 8. Also, it's like this is not a race, as you could tell. If a chip is giving you a hard time, work with it. Work with it. Work with it. Oops. That is not right. I can feel it. Something doesn't feel right. Okay. We're in. We're in. We're on. And we're okay. Syntax there. Lovely. All right. Halfway home. Looking back, I really should have checked that one chip at 6522. It is the trickery. Everything goes the same way, except one. And there's no markings. They don't have the little. Wait, is that in? Yeah, it looks like it's in. Okay, la la la. Good. 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 I really need to mark that RAM chip. Oh, what's Rudy going? That's Rudy. Let's see if we can get him.
You have reached the voicemail box.
Nope. It seems not. He must be out and about. And here we have another RAM chip that is being difficult on the left side. Wiggle it out. Rudy will call us back. All right. RAM chip. Going in. I had it and I didn't have it. No. Okay, hang on. Take your time. Check the chip. Check the pins. Alright. Oh, it was going. Damn, I see it. I see I've done something bad here. Oh, we were going so well. Please, no more socket trouble. It's like I got the yicks, like they say in golf, where it was going in and then I just kind of didn't. Okay, it looks okay. Okay, now we put it in, we line it up with firm, gentle pressure, and we're in. Let me turn it on, and it comes up. Let me enter some keys. We hit enter, it comes up with syntax error. And we turn it off, and we pull out the chip, and we go for another. All right, we're now onto the 6th row, the upper chip. We carefully line it up. No yicks. Wait a sec, are we in? We're not in. We're one pin off. That is not good. Okay, we're lined up. We're in. Okay, we're good. We have a syntax error. We're okay. All right. Almost there. Almost there. More chips being difficult. Okay. Got it. In we go. Okay, we're in. We're in. All right. Four more RAM chips. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Get them lined up. Oh, I'm getting the X. I'm getting the X. They do have a bit of a spring to them. Wait, I've got to get them lined up with firm but gentle pressure. Firm but gentle pressure. Okay. 3 to go. 3 to go. That's all there is. Then I figure what I'm going to do is spray all the sockets on the other machine. There we are. With Datasette. Good. Oh. Starting to get a kink from sitting so long. We're turned off. All right. We're down to the last two. All right. Are we in? We're in. We're going on. La 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 la. Okay. The last RAM chip. Okay, where everything is good, where everything is fine. Firm, but gentle. We're in. We're on. We're fine. Okay. So here is what I propose at this time. The entire other machine is unpopulated. So what I'm going to do, and I know you might be able to hear this better than see it, I'm going to spray Datasette on all the sockets. All of them. Because, well, it can't hurt. Alright. Now, am I immediately going to go and stuff chips in and turn it on? Oh no. No, 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 no. I will let that sit for a while. So right now, just to recap, all of the chips that are in this computer, oh, wait a sec, are the ones not for the RAM chips. That's coming out. There. I gotta look at this carefully. I do want to get a RAM chip back in there. I don't want to do any more RAM testing on this. How's this looking? Oh dear God. That was not smart. Always double check to make sure the machine is turned off before you yank something out. Oh, that was not smart. Okay. We're okay. Okay. So I'm going to let the deoxit sink in and do its magic. And I thought Rudy might call, but Rudy is not calling. So, all right, what have I got here? All right, so I have the 5 main chips from the other computer are in here. I'm not going to touch the screen RAM. I've got to put some mark on here, basically saying, don't ever touch this again. And I should be able to have something here. There must be a Sharpie. I know I had... Wait, is it in here? I know I had a Sharpie. Oh, come on. How can these things go missing? I'm organized. Yeah, right. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit on and take everything out of here. I've got all the RAM chips laid out. I've got all the ROM chips laid out. I've got all the other chips laid out in the configuration that they came out of this good machine. There we are. And I'm going to let this machine with these chips sit here and burn in for a while. And later on, I'll repopulate the other board and see what's happening. So thanks for coming. I thought we'd hear from Rudy, but it seems not. Not at this second. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.